Hi everyone. So today we have Kenwood 652 model from 1990s. It's in red color and we did manage to install Bluetooth in this one also. So at first I'm gonna test the radio itself, the cassette player, and later I'm gonna show you how to use the Bluetooth, okay? Okay, let's try forward. Now backwards. Now reverse mode. Okay, works fine. Let's see how it looks in the dark. All lights are okay. Now, in order to activate the Bluetooth, we have to press AM mode. So simply press AM. Now the Bluetooth is activated on the radio. We can go to our cell phone, go to Bluetooth, just wait a couple seconds. Here it is. Now the Bluetooth is connected. All you have to do, play music from any music player in your phone. Cool, right? You can pick up any song you want. Ads, of course. Few seconds more. So when you want to back to your regular radio, simply press FM mode again. And now the Bluetooth is off. Cool, right? Thumbs up, guys.